Number 1. One. One. One teddy bear. One teddy bear. One ball. One ball. One doll. One doll. One car. One car. Now let's listen the next video.
Let's see if you remember what my name was. Repeat after me. One. One. Can't hear you. Louder. One. That's it. Did you know that number 1 is super easy to write? Pay attention. We start right there and we go all the way up here. Now we trace down to this point. That's it. You've just traced number 1.
Now listen and count. One teddy bear. One ball. One doll. One car. Great job. Bye-bye.